Hey, so modern worship music can often sound very predictable. And so today I'm going to give you 3 gospel ideas that you can apply to modern worship music. And in the second idea, I'm actually going to show you some advanced ways you can play that idea. Let's get right to it. Everything we are doing today is in the key of E flat. The first idea we are looking at is whenever we are going to the 4, we can think about playing a minor 5 before going to the 4. All right? So in E flat is our 1, A flat is our 4, and our 5 is B flat. Okay? B flat major. We're going to go ahead and make that a minor 5. To do that, we take the D, we bring it down a half step to D flat. We're going to go ahead and make that a 7, all right? So we're going to add the A flat to that. So B flat, D flat, F, A flat, 2 and A flat. That's our 4, okay? So let's go ahead and apply that in a song. Let's use What a Friend We Have in Jesus. So, what a friend we have in Jesus. It's a very good song because we're going straight from 1, which is E flat, to 4, which is A flat. Now let's go ahead and play that minor 5 before we get to the 4 as our passing chord. What a friend we have in Jesus. Really cool. Here's something to think about. As you start playing passing chords, or any chord really, you may want to think about the inversion that you are using. So for this song, I wouldn't actually use this inversion. I would actually use this one. All right? And all I did was take my A flat and brought it down an octave. And then for my B flat, I actually omit it and just play it in my left hand. All right? So that is passing chord number 1 that you can use in E flat. Passing chord number 2 you can use is whenever you are going to the 6th, which is minor, you can play a diminished chord, which is 1/2 step below the 6th. Here's what I mean. We're going to C minor, which is our 6th. And before we get to C minor, we can play B diminished, which is 1/2 step below C, before we get to that C minor, all right? And this is B diminished here, which is B, D, F, and then we go to C minor, okay? Now, let's go ahead and apply it in a song. So, what a friend we have in Jesus, all our sins and griefs to bear. Really cool. Now, I said that I would show you some more advanced ways of applying that diminished chord before we get to the 6th. Before I do that, I want to tell you this. January 15th, which is today, I'm starting my 4-week live Diminished Blueprint course that you can sign up for on my website. And this course is designed to level up your piano playing, applying gospel concepts to worship music. Go ahead and sign up in the description below. But let's get back to the lesson. So here's an advanced way you can play that. You can play an A diminished before you get to the B diminished, and then you can get to your C minor. So A diminished, B diminished, and then C minor. And then what we'll do is, we'll go ahead and make that a full diminished. So by doing that, we have A diminished here. We're going to go ahead and add F sharp. And we're just going to go ahead and bring that an octave below. And then we're going to do the same thing for B diminished. We're going to make that a full diminished. And we're going to play G sharp below, or A flat. And now we go to C minor. So Now let's go ahead and apply that to the song. So, what a friend we have in Jesus. Now we're touching some flavor, touching my soul right there. All right. So that is passing chord number 2. Let's go ahead and get to number 3. And that's this. Whenever you are going to a 5, you can play a major 2 before the 5. And this is the chord here. All right, this is our major 2. And we're making this a 6-9 chord. Sorry, that's 6-9 there. Before we get to our 5, and our 5 we already established was B flat. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and apply that in a song. So, what a friend we have in Jesus, all our sins and griefs to bear. Let's do that part again. All our sins and griefs to bear. Good. So there you have it. 3 passing chords you can use whenever you're in the key of E flat. And the reason why I think it's important to understand those numbers is that you can actually apply them to other keys, all right? So don't just practice this in the key of E flat. Practice this in all your keys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my Diminished Blueprint live course beginning tonight. Go ahead and sign up in the description below. But until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together.